Ever wondered how to turn your crypto holdings into cold, hard cash? Well, you're in the right place. Coinbase Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that offers a secure way to store and manage your digital assets. But what if you want to cash out and convert your crypto into US dollars? In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing USD from your Coinbase wallet. Step 1. Understanding the withdrawal options. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand the different withdrawal methods available on Coinbase Wallet. These options may vary depending on your location and the cryptocurrencies you hold. Common withdrawal methods include bank transfers. This is a traditional method where you transfer your funds directly to your bank account. ACH transfers, a type of electronic funds transfer that's often used for domestic transactions. Wire transfers, a faster but more expensive option for international transfers. Crypto to fiat exchanges. If you prefer to convert your crypto to fiat currency on a different platform, you can withdraw your funds to an exchange. Step 2. Verifying your identity. To ensure the security of your funds, Coinbase Wallet requires you to verify your identity. This process typically involves providing personal information such as your name, address, and proof of identification. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 3. Choosing your withdrawal method. Log into your Coinbase wallet and navigate to the withdraw section. You'll be presented with a list of available withdrawal methods. Select the one that best suits your needs and preferences. If you're opting for a bank transfer or ACH transfer, you'll need to provide your bank account details. For wire transfers, you'll need to specify the recipient's bank information. Step 4. Entering the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount of USD you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there may be minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. Additionally, some fees may apply. Step 5. Confirming the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal. You'll typically receive a confirmation email or notification once the withdrawal is processed. Additional tips and considerations. Withdrawal fees. Be aware of any fees associated with withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method and your location. Processing time. The processing time for withdrawals can vary. Bank transfers and ACH transfers may take a few business days, while wire transfers are usually faster. Security. Always prioritize security when withdrawing funds. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Tax implications. Be mindful of the tax implications of withdrawing your crypto. Consult with a tax professional for specific advice. With that said, you now have a clear understanding of how to withdraw USD from your Coinbase wallet. By following these steps and considering the factors we've discussed, you can safely and efficiently convert your crypto holdings into fiat currency. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.